Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will present a quick guide to the best diffuser blends for enhancing focus and concentration during studying or even work sessions. Essential oils can reduce stress, boost your memory, energize your mind and body, and at the same time, you get the benefits of a pleasant, purifying, fresh and clean environment to keep you focused and alert on your work. Just know that different oils work on different people, and discovering the perfect synergy between essential oils and your body to optimize your focus actually requires trial and errors. But fret not, these are the top 4 diffuser blends that have been proven to sharpen concentration and promote a productive mindset. So grab your favorite essential oils and get ready to elevate your studying experience. Blend number 1 is the Mental Clarity Fusion Blend. 3 drops of peppermint, 2 drops of wild orange into your diffuser. And this invigorating blend actually combines a very refreshing scent of peppermint, the rejuvenating properties of rosemary, and the clarifying aroma of lemon. Together, these essential oils enhance mental clarity, improve cognitive functions, and promote a very laser-sharp focus. And rosemary has been researched as one of the top oils to actually use to stimulate memories and open the conscious mind. Blend number 2, Energizing Citrus Burst Blend. Add 4 drops of wild orange, 3 drops of grapefruit, 2 drops of lime into a diffuser. And this is an instant pick-me-up when the mind is simply not motivated to study. This energizing blend is bursting with citrus scent, which has uplifting qualities. And these citrus oils actually remove fatigue, revitalize your senses, awake your mind, making sure that you stay alert and engaged while studying. Blend number 3, I call it the Homework Helper Blend. Add 3 drops of peppermint, 3 drops of wild orange, and 3 drops of frankincense. Wild orange allows you to quickly snap you into your focus mode and inspire creativity. At the same time, peppermint wakes up and energizes the mind. The king of oil, frankincense, gets you grounded for intentional focus and open-mindedness to learning. Blend number 4, the Focus and Grounding Blend. Add 3 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of cedarwood, and 2 drops of vetiver. This is one of the best grounding oil blends with a perfect balance of focus and soothing blend. Cedarwoods helps quieten the mind and supports improved mental performance. And this earthy aroma of both cedarwood and vetiver actually puts in a sense of calmness while promoting concentration. And combine it with the grounding properties of frankincense, the king of oil, this blend actually creates an ideal environment for studying with mindfulness. I would recommend diffusing the room 15 to 30 minutes before you start your real studying, and really get ready to stimulate your mind, increase your productivity, and excel in your studies with these top diffuser blends for focus and studying. Remember, the key to achieving optimal results is really to experiment with different essential oil blends and adjust the ratios according to your preference, because everyone's response to aroma can vary. So feel free to customize the recipes to suit your unique needs. And click on the link above to learn more about the 2 special blends from doTERRA just for kids and even adults for focus and concentration. And they are called Thinker and In-Tune Blend. For more informative videos on enhancing your overall well-being and maximizing productivity in your homes with essential oils. And hit the like button if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and your classmates who are seeking studying enhancing techniques. And stay tuned for more valuable content coming your way.